Hello, traders. FX Collector here. Today is Thursday, December 11th, and this is my PM recap for the Euro US dollar, and we're on the 1 hour time frame. So the euro was very, very strong today. This ended up being like a little expanding ABC crescent, maybe better seen on like the 15-minute time frame, but very, very small little pullback. Didn't give you too much of a chance to get in, and honestly, this entry happened pre-London session also. Very strong move, and the fact that this last move is so big and strong tells me that it very likely is not the final wave. Normally, the final wave is more like that 3, 4, 5 shape that you see at the end of a trend. So I would put my Fibonacci retracement on here, and I would definitely be looking at anything to the downside as likely nothing more than a pullback within an uptrend. It'd be nice to see at least a 38% pullback to maybe get another chance to go long. But like I said, because this last leg is so large, I really wouldn't expect this to go down that much and maybe just end up continuing the uptrend like that. Then if it, gives us a break of structure after making another wave up, that's a different story. But for now, definitely still very, very bullish. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.